like if you click on that euro pound, you would get to the page where you see the chart. Actually, you don't need to see the chart, in my opinion, and I'm not looking at the chart anymore. But still, I know a lot of people love to get the chart, and that's why we hold. Let me just try to find my MT4 to see if we can actually place the trade like here, just to explain you how I use it. Let's say euro pound. I have so many accounts. Every broker have a different names. Okay. So all I need to do from this moment would be to copy paste the numbers into my terminal. So right clicking, trading, new order. Everything is the pending order. So it's a buy stop or a sell stop. And I just need to copy this part. Then I go copy the target, paste it here into the take profit, click the stop loss. Now, what I do, just because we have so many trades, I click the expiry option, make it 2 hours from current time, click place. And that's all. If in 2 hours this trade doesn't get filled up, it's automatically going to be removed. And I don't need to worry if market changed or not. I know it's going to be removed, and that's all. Maybe if the trade was found on some higher time frame, I wouldn't use just 2 hours, but you get the point. And that was actually pretty easy. Now, let's go over step by step what you're going to get. Now, maybe we add a little bit more info, and we are always trying to add more and more info just to make sure that it's easier and easier to use. So we are constantly updating a small feature based on the recommendation from our beta group, and now that small amount of the people that actually are using the software. But overall, this is more or less the final design. Every single trade idea comes with the instrument name, time frame where we found that signal, direction bearish or bullish. Let's say either you want to buy or sell, entry point, target, stop, and a risk reward. Also, you have the chart so you can get everything that you need. So if we click here, what we see here is the dollar Swiss franc. And the same thing that you see here are displayed over here, just more for that visual representation of what we are looking to do. But here, charts update every 15 minutes. And maybe price can be a little bit different, but usually if something is wrong or we already hit the entry point, we are going to hide the trade, just because there is no point if you go and, let's say, miss the trade just because you are too late. So there is no point for you to see the trade. So all the trades that are here are more or less already valid. There is not a chance that something is wrong. So we want to be looking for a short position at 89.65.21 with a target at 89.18.81 and stop loss 89.99.95. The risk reward is 1 to 1.4. So if you risk $100, we would be making 104. The idea here is that we get small list, 3 to 5 place stops here that I'm going to trade, that I'll approve, so that I believe are the best setups from the list. Because my goal here is that we build a list of the plays that I'm going to take always. Like all the trades that are there will be on my account. And I want to see, to make sure that everyone, not everyone, because we all know that there is no way that everyone can be awake 24 hours a day, but at least to update the list 2 to 3 times per day. So at the end of each week, we are going to go over every single setup and have one video every week where we review every single trade that was posted here and the result.
What you're about to show us now is not a system, right? So it's developed all your years of trading experience into these algorithms.
Yeah, it's not a system. It's not a system in a general view. Like what we used to do before, what you see in the market, Trages is a platform that was built from a lot of different algos. And the idea of the Trages was developed to help me to find a trades faster. I honestly never actually believed that we are going to generate so many trades, because my goal was to find 3 to 5 trades every single day, and that's all I actually cared about. But after we finished this, and it took us a year, and we are still, technically speaking, working on improving our software. Because you know me, I'll never stop improving. This part entire is our statistic. Our statistic from a live account, from account that's mine, my pension account. And as you see, we had over 22,000 of trades. This is statistics for a year and a half. This week alone, we had 530 setups. Now, let me be clear right away, since a lot of people confuse this number and get scared. There is no point, and there is no actual need for anyone to have 530 trades or have 22,000 trades to be profitable. This was more for me to make sure that I have a live data and live results, and that's all. Because I have main algo that trade all this, but I'm still using the trade juice on my own other accounts, like you show them the statement, where you see that I didn't have 530 trades. I try to take 3 to 4 trades, maybe 5 at the daily, and that's all. That's all I actually care. Average risk reward is 1 to 3. We can have it higher, but at the moment, there is no actual need. With 1 to 3, with current win rate, there is more than a good chance that everyone will be in profit. So there is no need. Like, we can easily move it. We had it at the start, as you remember, setups with 1 to 8, 1 to 10, even higher risk rewards. And they all work still. But there is no point. I want relaxed trading, not someone saying, I missed a trade that could made me $10,000 for risking only 1,000 and things like that. Like, I wanted to have stress-free part. Right below there, what we have is a hot list. That's a group of all the channels, like how we call all the asset groups channels, like where you see Forex, crypto, commodities, and indices all in one place. This entire hot list contains signals from 5 minutes all the way to daily time frame. You can have a little bit more filters if you go to the channel homepage on the menu, and we'll show that part. But technically speaking, you don't need to. All you need to get is this part, where you see the instrument name, time when the signal came, time frame of the signal, direction that you should be trading, entry level, target level, stop loss, risk reward, and current phase.
Yeah.
That's all. Like, you can get more data.
Yeah, everything you need to trade, like I mentioned earlier, exact entry, exit, it's all displayed. No need to look at a system. It's all there.
Like, you don't need anything. Like, you can, technically speaking, get it. Everything is automatically being updated.